Hey folks, Isaac Fried here, also known as Swami Pranayomama, talking about the new book, How to Not Give a Fuck in 10 Easy Steps. Brilliant idea to film out in nature at sunrise. I'm going blind here just to give you a message. We're talking today about chapter 26, Mindfulness. What does it say about mindfulness? The whole idea about learning how to not give a fuck is to pay attention, to be aware, see where we give a fuck, understand that giving a fuck generally causes suffering, and letting go of grasping, accepting things as they are, brings peace. And what is important here is mindfulness, to be aware, to pay attention. And when we get off track, when we start giving a fuck about things we don't need to give a fuck about, causing contraction in our lives and separation and worry, with mindfulness we can notice when these things arise, and we can choose a wiser path, a path of peace, and we can learn how to not give a fuck. So thanks for watching this video. Check out the book and have a great life. Bye.